In this video, I'll show you how to reset the network settings on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So let's say, for instance, if you have issues with your mobile network, your Bluetooth connection or your Wi-Fi connection, you can simply reset it and maybe fix any issues that might be there. Now to reset it, simply open the settings app on your device. And then within the settings, scroll down and select more connectivity options. And then scroll down again until you find reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So select that. And then from here, you'll see this option. This will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. And if you have an issue with a particular SIM card, you can simply choose the SIM card that you'd like to reset. So once you select everything, you've confirmed everything, all you have to do is simply tap on reset settings. And then now you have to confirm your identity. So type in your PIN, password or pattern to continue. And then once you type in your PIN, you should see this warning. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. So if you'd like to reset your network settings, all you have to do is simply tap on OK. And that will reset the network settings. Now keep in mind that once you reset the network settings, you have to re-enter the passwords for all the Wi-Fi networks that you currently had saved. And if you had Bluetooth devices connected to your device, they will be removed and you have to pair them again. So that's basically it on how to reset the network settings on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.